Hey guys, welcome back once again for another video. So after a long time, once again I am back with my Ninja 300. So while I was using my Ninja 300 back in home before coming to Chennai, I did some aesthetic modifications to my Ninja 300. One thing is I was using the ZX10R rear view mirror, and I was using a integrated tail light along with the indicator, and I was also using KTM style LED turn indicators. So once I came to Chennai, I found it difficult to use those modifications. For example, the ZX10R rear view mirror was not as comfortable as the OEM rear view mirror of the Ninja 300. The vision was quite less. So I had some issues with the KTM style LED indicators, turn indicators. One thing is the indicators were not working properly, and also the indicators don't fit properly into the Ninja 300's rear indicator slot. So I thought of reverting back to the original Ninja 300 indicators. So I purchased a OEM style Ninja 300 indicator online, and today I decided to fit those indicators to my Ninja 300. And a few more issues which I had with the KTM indicators is so once they started malfunctioning, whenever I switch on the indicator light would not blink, and it will stay on just like that. So there was no use in using that indicator. So while coming to Chennai, what I did was I removed my turn light indicators, and coming to Chennai, that is, I traveled around 630 kilometers, and coming to Chennai without indicator light is quite a risky affair. So today I took my motorcycle to a local workshop at Saidapete, where I fitted my new OEM indicators, and here are some of the bits of the video for you. ஓ சரி 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 ஓகே அப்படியே போட்டோம்னா முழுக்க வந்து டைம் அடிக்குமா? So fitting the indicator took some time. I think there was some earthing issue as told by the technician. So it took almost 1.5 2 hours. Initially I thought of repairing it in my home by myself, but now I understood that I could not have done that. Now if you look there, my indicator is working fine. So now if you see, my indicator is working quite fine. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. See you all once again in another video.